Hi everyone. This is just a quick video to show you how to use the Excel files that are linked on the Math Assessments and Resources page. And each of you have your own file, and I want to show you real quick how to edit it and how to get to this page. First of all, this is on the nest. If you go to the Netzeberg nest and I click here to skip all this stuff to go down to the download or to the quick links, and then I click on Math Assessments and Resources. That's one way to get to this page. Another way to get to this page is in the CSI Google Classroom. If you go to classwork right now, it's the very top link, Math Unit Assessment and Resources. That will also take you to this page. You'll need to be signed into Google. You'll also need to be signed into your Microsoft account in order to do some of the stuff I'm going to show you here. So in order to edit your spreadsheet, I've already made copies for everybody in the school. What you'll do is click on your um, spreadsheet, and it'll open up your spreadsheet in the browser. And what you want to do is for best results, you want to click on this editing drop down, and you want to click on open in the desktop app. And once you do that, you will see you don't need to have this page open anymore. So I'm going to close this page and drag over the file. So I clicked on Miss Monroe's file, and you'll see her name is up here in the file name. We've added students as of right now. And a few things I want to show you is if you do add new students, because of how these other units are set up, you always want to add on the bottom. You don't want to delete or remove these names because it's going to mess up some things later on. So always add to the bottom throughout the year. And the way it works is if you see students' results on these unit tests, if they missed question one, and it'll have to be a value judgment if it's more than 1 point, like if it's 3 points and they only got one out of three, maybe you would mark that wrong with an X, and you'll notice some changes started to happen. I'll mark this with an X and this with an X. So we have the results for this one student. You can see this started to change. And the cool thing is, now when I click on the Unit 1 small group, I see some standards that the student needed. They're listed here, as well as resources, direct links to resources for reteaching and for small group activities to help support students in learning that standard a little better. So that's what makes this thing really cool, is being able to do that, being able to quickly form students, put students in groups, and being able to link directly to their resources. So I'm going to delete this because that's not accurate information. And Miss Monroe will be adding her data with whatever unit test she is doing next. So this has all the tests throughout um, the year. They're already here along with the links to the resources. It's pretty cool that way. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. A couple things I want to point out. Um, the autosave here was toggled on when I open this in the desktop app. So I don't need to do anything um, to to save this on the website that I showed you earlier. It's automatically going to be syncing because the autosave is on. You can even see it's saying it's saving right now. It's working. Once it is done saving, so let's say I put an X here. I'm going to delete it later. That's done. Now, when I go back to the website and click on Monroe's file again, and then I click on Unit 1, you'll see that change was reflected here. It's synced with what I'm doing offline on the desktop app. It actually is online, but it's using the desktop app instead of using the web browser. That's important in order for all the formulas to work that the district has set up in here. So keep that in mind, that you always want to be editing in the desktop app. And I think that's it. I can close this because it's done saving. If I want to find that file again, I can go into my downloads, or I could just come back to this page and click on my link again, and it'll show me exactly um, what I've done so far, and I can start editing again. All right. Thanks for watching. If there are any questions, please let me know. I can try to make a clearer video. Maybe I'll work on making a more succinct video later. But for now, I hope this gets you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.